Hello. I believe when passion becomes profession, the person can reach new horizons in life. I can say that for myself as well. I am Shelly Rajput, a professional in the field of interiors for past 16 years besides working as a lecturer for interior design. I used to come across new challenges daily while teaching my students, and to counteract, I derived several new techniques to make learning more easy and interesting for them. This pandemic time inspired me to put my skills to a further better use by creating my channel Designgorithm, where I post user-friendly videos on various interior-related topics and softwares. Now, not only my students but people across the world can get associated with me and learn while I share my knowledge on softwares besides some fresh DIY ideas. I hope you all will find my videos beneficial and worth subscribing. I will be your instructor for this training course in AutoCAD. This course is designed for beginners. The course assumes that you know nothing about AutoCAD. Through this training course, not only you will learn how to draw in CAD, but you will also learn how to manage internal workings of your file. CAD is more than just lines and text. It is data, some of which is geometric and some is numeric. In this course, you will learn how to draw and how to draw accurately. This course will give you a foundation of skills that you will be able to take along with you into many different design fields. These videos will teach you how to start a file from scratch, what tools to use and how to use them. We will also look at something called blocks that allows you to recreate similar objects over and over again and without redrawing. Then you will get to learn how to use different editing tools that allows you to change the line work in your drawings. Text and dimensions are also key points in AutoCAD and we will also cover them. I will show you how to manage settings so that you can easily annotate according to your need. Each lesson will give you step-by-step instructions on how to use AutoCAD. I will show you how to take different approaches to get your work done easily and efficiently. There are many ways to work in AutoCAD and we will explore as many of them as we can. With the training that you get from this course, you will be able to create highly organized drawings in AutoCAD. Good luck and let's get started. Assuming that you have already installed AutoCAD, just double-click the AutoCAD icon on desktop and it will launch the software. It might take a few minutes as it is loading some customized files and settings, making sure everything is set up properly. So now we are in AutoCAD. When you start AutoCAD, you get this new tab option. You can start a new drawing using a template. You can open an existing drawing. Here you can find the documents that you opened in AutoCAD recently. This will show you the notifications related to the software, and through this section you can connect to internet. I am going to open a new file using AutoCAD template. Just take a look around the interface. So this big open space right here in the middle is the drawing area where you are going to draw your objects. And when you move your cursor, your crosshair also moves along with it. And when you move your mouse up here, your cursor turns into an arrow, allowing you to click on the tool icons to activate them.